Welcome to this unboxing of the Western Digital Easystore Portable Backup Plug-and-Play External Hard Drive. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. So as you can see, it's compatible with Windows and Mac. It is plug-and-play, so you don't need any software. It's USB 3.0. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the cable. You just plug this side into the hard drive, you plug the other side into the computer, and it's just plug and play, no software. Okay, here's the manual. It's written in multiple languages. And here's the hard drive. Very simple operation. You just plug the cable in and plug the other side into the computer, and it's going to detect, and you're ready to transfer files. And let me tell you something about this. You can get some really good deals on these because this is a standard hard drive. Now they're coming up with the SSDs. The SSD drives are lighter. There's no moving parts, no noise, or vibration. So those are really becoming popular now. But they're still making these, and they're making them for a reason. They're cheap and they hold a lot of storage. This particular one is 1 terabyte, and they make them much larger than that. So if you're concerned about the stability and all the other things that a standard hard drive doesn't have that the SSD does have, if you're just looking to transfer data for temporary storage and then putting it back, let's say you're looking to back up computers, or you're getting a new computer, you just have to temporarily store a lot of storage, and then you want to transfer it back on your computer when you get your new computer set up, or you do a lot of gaming and you're looking to move data around in and out. This can be a really good choice because of the cost. It's just much cheaper than an SSD. And keep in mind, they're still making these and they're perfecting them. They're getting smaller, they're getting less noisy, they're getting smaller, they're getting faster, lighter. So these are still being perfected, and there's a good market for them. So there you go. This was an unboxing of the Western Digital Easystore Portable Backup Plug-and-Play External Hard Drive. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.